Hello everyone. In this video, you will understand the function in mathematics. I am not, I am not going to the too much mathematically. Firstly, we understand the concept behind the function, and we got the idea what is the function. Okay, how we make the notation about the function, what is the different type of the function, how we plot the function. All things we will be teaching introductory about the function, and then we step by step we go into the upward for the function. Okay, function is that which we most widely use in the application of not in the mathematics. Also, it's applicable in the sciences, physics, chemistry, and in the engineering and economics and many more applications. It is the basic backbone for the concept of the calculus. Okay. Calculus is understand on the concept of the basic about the function. So if you have to clearly about the function, what is the domain of the function, what is the range of the function, what is the different type of the function, and how we plot the function, how we find out the domain, codomain, all things about the function, then you will easily understand the concept in the calculus. Okay, not going to all of you, just we start the function in maths. Okay, function function is a type of relationship in which we just connect the input with the help of some output. Okay, it is the input to output type of the relationship. Okay, we just have a input, and this input is related some notation of function fx is some out. Okay, this is the input to the output type of relationship is called the function. Okay, in input we just take an example of input, just to be making a juice making machine. Okay. In the juice making machine you have to be given input. We want to make banana shake. Okay, in the banana shake you have to just input, and we got the output is that are the banana shake. Okay, in input input for making banana shake, uh, input for making banana shake we just put input banana, milk, and sugar. Okay, this is the input, and with the combination of this input we got some output which is called the banana. Okay, so input to the, this is called the, this is called the output. Okay, so this is the input to output relationship is called the function. Okay, we understand with the help of some pictorial view about the about this function. Just we can take a picture about that. In this picture you are saying that some input is going on. Okay, some input is going on, and this is the function machine, and we just got to the some output. Okay, input we just considering as x, the value of x is just considering -2, -1, comma 0, comma 1, comma. Okay, and we got the some function machines relationship by that is equal to x, and we just got the output value y equal to 4, 1, 0, 1, comma 4. Okay. This is the input, and this is the input we just put, and this is the output. Okay. The function is that we just got the intuition function is that some input some output. In the input or input in mathematics we call as the domain. In mathematically language just name as domain, and this is the output is named as the codomain, codomain or range. Okay, so domain to codomain relationship is called as the function. Okay, so in this you just got the intuition regarding the function, and just be considering the plotting of the okay, graph of function. Okay, the graph is basic something that we just got the idea behind the how we plot how the behavior of the function is look like. In the graphs we put output value, which is called as the output value or called as the y-axis and y, and the input value is considering an horizontal. Okay. This is the value of x and this is the value of output is called as the okay. And this is also called as the input. Okay, and this is also called as the output. Okay, you just got the idea regarding the everything. And in just considering the table about the just considering the function denoted by with the f parenthesis x equal to x. Okay, we just considering the input value x and we got the some output value of in term of y 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 comma. Okay, in the value of 2 we got the y value is 4 minus 1 we got the value is 1 0 we got the values 0 1 we got the 1 and 2 we got the 4. Okay, this is the okay, just be taking the x values as input. This is the value of 0 and this is the value of 1, this is the value of 2, this is the value of 3, this is the value of 4 5. Okay, and this is the negative x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 so on. Okay, minus 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is the value 5 and this is 6. And the left hand side we got the negative value minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4. And the output value is we considering the y-axis. This is value y-axis we considering 1 is the value of 2 and this is the value of 3, this is the value of 4, this is the value of 5 and so on 6. Okay, so first of all considering the point. Okay, and the x value is minus 2, x value is minus 2, the output value is point is look like this. This is the point here, the point in x is minus 2 and output is 4. Okay, another point is that when we put the minus 1 we got the values point is there. This is the point minus 1 comma, and another point we got similar like look 1 comma 1 comma 1, another point is the 2 comma 4. This is the point 2 comma. If we just connect these points we will got the graph of the function. So this graph will be go to the this. Okay, this is the graph of x equal to x. Okay, our y that is equal to is also similar in dot. Okay, this is the basic idea regarding the function, and then in the next video we will be understand about the what is the mapping diagram of the function and what is the exact definition about the function method. Function is not only function is in different type of relationship. This is trigonometric, exponential, combination of trigonometric, exponential, algebraic, and different type of the function. And every function have a different type of graph, and every graph have different type of the properties. So all things we will discussing in the step by step regarding the function. When we saying that the relationship is a function, or when we saying this the relationship is not a function. Okay, and what type of the function, one to one, one to many one, and different type of the function we will be discussing in the next video. Okay, thank you. Thanks for everyone.